This is the Ford showroom. This is also where the service area is located. I am here to do my car servicing. Yeah, the service area has reached. So, tell me something about yourself. Where are you from?
हम असम का है.
Okay, you are from Assam. Okay.
असम नौगांव का है.
So, how long you are working with Ford?
For last 9 years.
So, what is the problem? Can you just tell me the problem inside the car? Dashboard sound. Why is it coming?
तो ये जो मतलब साउंड निकला ना सर.
हाँ या.
इसका जो डैशबोर्ड का अंदर में एक मेटल होता है ना.
अच्छा.
एक बार होता है.
हाँ.
वो और ये बॉडी.
हाँ.
जो फिट होता है ना.
ओके.
इसमें थोड़ा फिटमेंट में ऐसा लूज है.
ओके.
तो ऐसा ऑफ रोड में जाएगा ना, उसको घिस के मेटेलिक नॉइस.
Okay. Right. Right. What are the highlights of your service? Can you tell me something about your service experience?
9 years experience. Almost complete all Ford technical training. तो अभी हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट का ये टॉप 3 में है.
Oh, so from the northeast region, you have got the 3rd rank in terms of your service experience or service skill, right?
Skill.
On my back you can find the service area. I'm still waiting on the customer's launch. Because it's so time consuming. The problem is related to the dashboard of my car. Some noise is coming from the dashboard area of my car, and it's getting rectified. The problem has been identified and you need to apply a proper solution to that problem, and while doing this you need to remove the body and then refix it. That's why it's time consuming, and for the last 3 hours I was waiting inside this customer's launch. Of course it's boring, but what to do. क्या प्रॉब्लम डिटेक्टेड?
ये डैशबोर्ड और विंडशील्ड का ये थोड़ा ऐसा टच हो रहा है, उसका साउंड हो रहा है यहाँ पे ना.
ओके राइट. हाँ. I just spoke to the service staff. They're telling me the work will be done very soon, and I'll be getting my car very shortly. On the back that is the service area. All right, so right now I am sitting inside the customer's launch, and with me I have Nuve. Mr. Nuve, what was your car's issue? You're also using EcoSport Trend, right?
Yeah.
You're also
my car has done like 90,000 plus kilometer.
All right.
It's 2016 model. I'm having the problem with the wheel hubs.
All right.
AC problem.
Okay, right.
You've been here for almost 5 hours now. Almost 5 hours.
I am standing in front of Mr. Sudesh's vehicle, EcoSport, and he has a concern with the noise coming out from the dashboard. So we have removed it, checked it, and we found that the lock were little loose. So we have tightened it up, and adjusted it, and also added some cushions to damp the noises. And I hope with this the work has been completed now.
All right, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so the service is over. So my car has been diagnosed by Mr. Hemando. Yeah, Hemando is with me, and Vijay Singh is also with me. Okay, the service team. So we are testing the car. So we are testing whether the sound is coming from the dashboard. Now, so far the sound is not coming. So which means the service is good, and the service also is also successful. So thank you, Hemando. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, and Vijay. Yeah. So that was the day. So I spent the whole day in the service area. Okay. So I could also learn something about car servicing. Like I could also interact with the service staff. So it was such a nice experience. Now we are moving on to the 4-lane highway. We checked the off-road experience regarding roads with potholes and all these, terrible road conditions. We rode and the car did not make any noise, especially the noise that used to come from the dashboard. It's completely gone. Now while moving on to the 4-lane, it's even more comfortable. So the Ford car is much more in sync with the highways, I guess. Yeah, the sound has completely gone. I cannot hear any sound from the dashboard side. So both off-road and highway, it performs well. So on the whole, the day spent here was worthwhile. So that's all for today.